Okay, so it's a little bit muddy out here. We just went through some torrential downpours, so I'm not slopping around in the mud. I'm working off the wood stump up here on top of the wood pile. So you may ask yourself, what is this strange grouping of items you have here? This I found on Amazon by looking up small camp shovel. But as you can see from this series of letters, this is the name of this item. And I'm a sucker for a multi-tool. It's a camp trowel, basically, or a small shovel. It's got a hollow handle, so you can put it on the end of a stick if you want to. But it's got an assortment of different items on it. So we're gonna put them to the test real quick. The first one is a hex head. So let's see if it'll work like it's supposed to. Yeah, it's turning it. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but it's locked in. If you lock your finger under it, it turns it, it fits. This right here is supposed to be a straight screwdriver. Yep, fits in there. It's got a nail puller right here. So it definitely locks the nail in place. It's got what's supposed to be a, I'm assuming this is a carrot or potato peeler. So let's see how it does with a carrot. Okay. It's got an edge, straight edge right there. Let's see how it cuts. Not bad. It's got serrations. So you can saw through a carrot if you got to. It's got a bottle opener. Let's see how it does with the bottle opening. There we go. You can hear that. Got a little orange crush. Yep, so cap lifter works. It's got measurements in centimeters and inches. It's got some paracord on it. Let's do a little chop and see if it, well, damn, okay. Darn, excuse me, pardon my language. It sticks in. Okay, well, it's the XFGSYXS small camp shovel. Yeah, check them out.